Okay, my wonderful accounting students. So I attended a seminar from the Institute of Management Accountants. So that's where you'd get your certified management accounting, and also certification of strategic and finance, something. I can't remember exactly what it is, but that's okay. So those are different types of certifications, similar to a CPA, certified public accountants. There's all kinds of different certifications out there by different entities that have been given the authority to create these certifications, which discuss or which identify persons who have a certain level of expertise. Okay, it's different than the certification you get at Arizona Western College. That's education. These types of certifications are from an association, an organization, and they have been given permission to create these to demonstrate expertise. So Institute of Management Accountants have come up with a new certification, and any one of you right now can sit for this exam. You do not have to be a member of the Institute of Management Accountants. None of that, okay? You don't even have to have finished your associate's degree. So what is this? It's a financial and managerial accounting associate. It's going to go in this exam. I went and I downloaded 10 questions, and I was having fun because, that's what I do when I want to have fun. I go do accounting problems. And this exam, right off the bat, it asked a question, and I was like, oh, that's horizontal analysis. Yeah, we do that in chapter 1 and chapter 14 of financial accounting. Yeah, my students can do this easily. Then one of the other questions, there was one that asked about revenue, okay, it's got this, and this in terms of expenses, what's going to be the revenue? And I was like, oh, that's easy. That's financial accounting. And then they asked about, they were doing a problem very similar to break-even analysis, where they're asking you to prepare a variable income statement. And again, that's right off the bat in managerial accounting. I think it's like chapter 20 or 21. So, right off the bat, I'm like picking these up and I'm going, students can do that. They did a standard and variance analysis. Oh, my students can do that. Then they did some budgeting. Oh, we covered that in our budget chapter. And then they're talking about step budgets, and they're talking about looking at these budgets and saying, okay, if we budgeted for this and yet we only did this, what would have been our income? All of this is covered in managerial accounting. Anybody can do it, okay? Anybody. So let me just go through a couple of things right off the bat. Okay, so it says, why do you want this? To demonstrate your skill set, advance your career? Yes, it can. Stand out. This would look great when you're out and you're trying to find a new job. Okay, if you want to download the 10 sample questions, you can. I also have them downloaded, so if you want to just shoot me an email, I'll send them to you. This is the 5 competencies. All of this is found in financial and managerial accounting, okay? The only one that you may need to do some study is a professional ethics, just because it is focused in on ethics that IMA talks about, and we don't touch enough ethics in our financial and managerial class, even though I try. Okay, who can benefit? So basically they're talking 2-year, they say 4-year, and then they said, oh, people with MBAs. Okay, yeah, that's great. Yes, but early business career professionals, business professionals, that doesn't say they have a degree already, okay? Those could be anybody, anywhere. So right now, like I said, any one of you can sit for this exam. Now they're going to offer the exam twice a year, and then they're going to try to, next year, I believe they said they're going to try to make it available more by offering it where you can just come online and take it at any time. I can't be for for sure on that because they're still working on it. But I do know that right now, let's come over here. You enroll, prepare, you pass. Okay, this is the most important part. So if you enroll right now, they're going to give you a discount because this is the first round. They're going to allow you to take this exam for $249. Now, why is this important? One, I haven't seen an exam at a better price. Okay. When you're testing for the CMA, for CPA, you're looking at thousands of dollars. Okay. So this is a really good price. And they're going to offer you $50 off. Now, you will have to pay a $49 annual renewal fee and continue with what we call CBE credits. If you have questions about that, shoot that to me and I'll kind of explain what's happening there. Now, they say prepare, and I believe one of these is offering for basically you've got 2 months to study. And I believe their study guide materials is $70. Not bad, not bad at all. Again, you'd spend a whole lot more obtaining study materials for the CPA or the CMA exam, even the ACFE, okay? So very, very affordable for those of you who are looking to have a certification behind your name. So I just kind of wanted to point that out to you. And so then they talk here, there's some resources here. I haven't downloaded them yet, but I'm going to. So again, if you have more questions, please just shoot me an email. Also, I am going to try to set up an interview with the gentleman, the contact from the Institute of Management Accountants, and I'm going to invite students who are interested in obtaining this exam where they can come in and they can ask him questions. I'll have specific questions and then students can ask their questions as well. I think this is something that's really cool. I think it'll be great for our industry. Even if you're not going into accounting, it still would be something nice to have to show your competencies. So I'm going to obtain this, and I already mentioned that I'm going to talk to one of the gentlemen that were at the seminar yesterday, and so they have some just some questions, and then I'm at the bottom of the page. So I just kind of wanted to put that out there for you because I got really excited, and I think this is such a cool opportunity for anybody that's thinking about an industry and business. I just think it's think it's pretty amazing. And what a great opportunity. Okay, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time making a very long video, and I'm going to say, go forth, my accounting Padawan learners, and account this weekend. We'll see you soon.